Hi, my love. It's your girl Sarah again with this other mother video, and I'm going to wash the. Well, I'm gonna take the car to be washed. It's only the outside. I'm gonna try to say in Spanish. Buenos días, mi gente hermosa. Hoy voy a estar haciendo algunas cositas with the kids, con los niños, y primero que nada, before anything, I'm going to go wash my car on the outside, en la parte de afuera. Yeah, I thought I was going to translate out talking. Whatever, you guys understand. Okay. Right now, I got my 3 boys right there, 1, 2, 3. They are with me. The fathers are not picking them up. And plus, by the way, the other 2 youngest, the father never picked them up. So, I was like, oh well, let me do something fun with my boys. Oh my God, quiero hacer algo divertido con mis hijos. No sé cómo sacarlo. Voy de camino ahora a lavar el carro. Después del carro, los voy a llevar al buffet. I'm going to take them to the buffet. We're going to eat. Vamos a comer, us 4. Nosotros los 4. Maybe take them to the park. Go lleve al parque or... I'm not sure if y'all behave. Okay, no more. Not too much gum, Isaac. That's not good for you. So, yeah. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. Eso es lo que vamos a estar haciendo hoy. And, oops. I feel so tired. Me siento súper cansada. Oh, my goodness. Guys, that's what I listen. I did not sleep at all. Anoche no sé, no pude dormir muy bien. Pero, yeah.
You slept perfectly.
Yes, slept perfectly. Yeah. Okay, good, baby. Okay, guys. I'm heading right now. I'm gonna try to record. So, yeah. And I'm heading over there. Today's a nice day. Hoy es un día hermoso, un día bonito. It's just kind of windy a little bit. Está un poquito como vientoso. Pero, hey, that's not stopping me. Eso no me va a parar. Today's plan is good. Go! Okay, today's plan is so good. Plan de hoy. Isaac got his sweater, the kids got the sweater, so niños tienen la suera, and then, I don't want you guys to get sick. Oh my God! Ay, Dios. Alright, 1 second, un segundito. I think I put too much lipstick. The glitter is like if it was slimy. I got me a couple masks. Tengo algunas máscaras. I got a couple more. Tengo otras cuantas más. And yeah, I'm gonna show you in just a second. Les voy a enseñar en unos segunditos. 1 second. People selling stuff, yard sale. Oh, that's nice. They got, like a couple things, machine. Over there. Like a little yard sale. I like that. People do that Saturday, Sunday. La gente hacen eso los sábados y los domingos. Yes, baby.
Well, why did you say don't touch my life?
Oh, okay. Well, let me pause it because you're right about that. No text, no recording, no talking while you're driving because you might crash. Okay. Pause. Hi guys, it's here. Estoy adentro. I thought it was going to be closed. Pensé que iba a estar cerrado, pero it's not closed. Look right there. And I'm going to go all the way around, guys, to see. Alright guys, I got to show you this. We're going in the car wash. I'm so excited. I think we're gonna stay in the car, yes. I'm not doing the inside because I already did it. La parte de adentro ya yo la hice. I just gotta do la parte de afuera. Esperen un segundito. Alright guys, we are getting closer and closer. Nos estamos acercando. I'm gonna show you real quick. Les voy a enseñar. You guys can see over there. And yeah, there's nothing else to do, so we just gotta sit and wait. Tenemos que sentarnos y esperar. Alright, which one would I be getting? I'm not sure. Right here it says a couple. ¿Cuál voy a agarrar? No sé. Aquí dice unos cuantos. Guys, the one I'm gonna I just want outside. Que yo quiero es.
Mom just got 4 sugar soldiers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I did it. Yeah, because there's 4 of us. So it's one cord is really long. Look at Jacob. Alright guys, see, look, I'm going back. It says the one is 21, 43, but I'm not trying to get something wow. How is it? I want tire shine, brillo la llanta. I want some other ones you guys can see. They're right here. The car go in there, and then that's what I wash. So yeah, we gotta wait. I'm gonna show you. It's from over here all the way over here, and then they go in. I hope they don't tell me to get out of the car that, you know, I'll be able to stay in the car. They might say no. That's stupid. But vamos a ver qué dicen, you know. Alright guys, we want to see everybody is getting out. La gente se está saliendo de los carros, so I won't be able to stay in, but I'm going to try. Voy a tratar de grabar to record. If not, well, I'll be with you guys when I get back to my car on the other side. So this is the back. Look guys, I want to show you behind me. You see all those cars, todos los carros allá atrás. What is that like I'm the only one? No es como que yo fuera la única que estoy aquí. Alright guys, we are in. Estamos adentro. So we're gonna see the cars. I gotta pay in the front 27 something. That's not mine. Mine was back there somewhere. It's coming. Viene en la que está allá atrás. I don't know if you guys can see it. My car is right there. It's coming. My baby's coming. Sorry, I have my nose in. Tenía mi nariz. Yeah, see. We won't be able to see it, but you guys, thank you. You're welcome. See? I don't know, but I hope you guys can.
Mommy car.
Look, you can see at the bottom. Look up there, the tires.
Yeah, look at the top too. Look how it works.
Yeah, the machine spin around. See the machine. Alright, now we go. Guys, look. The boys are here. Look, it's coming over here. Hi, Jacob.
Check out the car.
It's over here.
It's over here.
Look, you're so excited. Look. Look, Jacob, you like it? They got this other machine. Look, the machines are going to spin around.
So now. So.
Oh, that pizza. Look at that.
No one can drive it by himself.
I don't know. It's some chain that pull it down. See the wheels?
Yeah. Driving it. Nobody's driving it.
Come on, boys. Over here. Alright, guys. I'm over here and the car is right here. Alright, let's go over here, the last part, and the other one. Look, it's over here. Maybe not. Okay, now that's the rings. I said, over here, baby. Jiggle. Right there. You see? You happy? Okay, good. Alright guys, my phone is here. Alice, wait! Alice, over here, baby! Alright, the car is over there. No, not yet. Come on. Hey. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited. Estoy súper contenta. I cleaned my car. I'm going to show you in just a second. I had to park. Me tengo que parquear. Uy, me dio calofrío. I just want to show you guys really fast. Guys! I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Selling these for tours. Hey, baby, yeah.
Can you don't that though? I thought they would have 4 plugs. I don't know, guys, but I'm gonna turn right here a little right. Me voy a voltear a la mano derecha. I'm gonna park it and I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit. You know, my car. I just need some music to be hooked up. Necesito un poquito de musiquita. Alright, 1 second. Okay, it's right here. Es esta. This is the back. Esta es la parte de atrás, how you guys can see. And then, actually, that is. And this is the front. Esta es la parte de frente. It's already clean. It's clean. It's clean. Okay. I did the inside. Like, the tire. They did the tire a little bit here, a little bit there. You know, hacer un poquito aquí. Oh my gosh. Okay, now. Un poquito aquí, un poquito allá, so and it's so good. The kids enjoying when I wash the car and they are, you know, with me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver este video. I'm not gonna make it long. No lo voy a hacer más largo de lo que es. 11 minutes. But yeah. And yeah, today's Saturday, hoy es sábado. Don't forget to subscribe. No se olviden suscribirse for more for you guys. Que see more automatically. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna take the boys to eat. A comer.
Buffet?
Yes, buffet. Guys, people keep telling me if I do exercise. I don't know because I don't like. I don't know, like a little poquita. Like this is me. I don't know. This is how I am. But whatever. Okay, guys. Peace out, babies. Mwah, a lot of kisses, a lot of hugs, and I see ya alligators. Yes, baby.
Remember to don't just when you're driving. Remember that.
Okay, remember that. Don't forget it. So peace out. Adios.
Give us 2,000 subscribers and 200 thumbs up.
Oh, my baby's so cute. Alright, guys. Please give her my son.
200 likes.
200 likes.
200 likes. Give us 200 likes. You will give a giveaway.
Oh, yeah. We're going to be doing giveaways. The more I go up, the more giveaways I'm going to be doing soon. Yes, baby. Oh, this boy got lost in the book. Alright, but I'll tell you in another video. Alright guys, it was nothing, he was just playing and we started going around, whatever. But whatever, he's here. He's here. That's what counts. Alright guys, peace out babies. Adios mis amores. Don't forget to subscribe. No te olvides suscribirte. Slide all the way down, baby. You go all the way to my videos and then all the way down there you write any comment and yo te replay. I'll replay back. Ciao.